What is up, everybody? This is Baxter over at carwashcountry.com. Today I wanted to make a short video just to talk about how to clean a porous vinyl or plastic surface like this door of my Wrangler. And there's a little bit of texture here. The dashboard is a very similar vinyl, and I wanted to talk about what's the best way to remove dirt from this. A lot of people will start with a microfiber towel and just soap and water, and you can certainly do that if that's all you have. But in my opinion, just a better product to use, or a better device, is an interior detailing brush like this. You can buy these on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to pick up a few of these. I really like these for cleaning vents. You can use them on like doors. You can buy some longer brushes and actually use these on lug nuts. So when you're cleaning tires, they do a great job at reaching surfaces that something like this just isn't going to be able to reach. But instead of using soap, one product I really recommend is made by Meguiar's. It's called Mirror Glaze 39. I'll leave a link for this as well. This is a heavy duty vinyl cleaner. It's safe on vinyl, plastic, and rubber surfaces. I think it does the best job of anything I've used at really cleaning these types of surfaces. All you want to do here is just spray it on like this. And you know, if I go over it with a towel, microfiber is great at really cleaning or lifting dirt, or lifting really anything that's on a surface. So it's really going to lift a lot of this product off. But you really want agitation if you've got a lot of dirt. So that's where this comes in. You basically just scrub it down, and if you can see here, there's a lot of foam starting. It's starting to dislodge a lot of this dirt. And you can just make your way around the door or the dash, and then before it dries, you want to make sure you just use your microfiber. But I think this does a better job than just about any product I've used. You can use it on your fender flares as well if they're very dirty and you have dirt trapped. You can also follow it up with a product called M40, and that's just going to be a conditioner just to help protect it a little bit from the sun. So check it out. Let me know what you guys think. If you have used a product like this, or you've cleaned vinyl before or plastic, let me know what works for you. Leave a comment below. If you're a beginner, if you're new to detailing, you just want a few tips and tricks, check out carwashcountry.com /resources. Got a bunch of information there, some ebooks and things to help you guys out. But until next time, hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you later.